What if you could stop working in your 30s and never worry about money again? No office, no boss, no fixed schedule, just freedom, control, and peace of mind. It sounds impossible for most people, but it is more realistic than you think. Today, we break down a simple path that can help you move toward financial independence step by step. Stay with us because the most important ideas come later. You are watching Retiriva Senior Updates. Let's start with the biggest truth. It is not about earning more. It is about keeping more. Most people focus only on increasing income, but they ignore their spending habits. If you want real change, you must control your expenses. Cut out what you do not need. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Live below your means. This is the foundation. Without this step, nothing else works. Think about your daily habits. Small expenses add up. Eating out often, unnecessary shopping, subscriptions you do not use. These things slowly drain your money. When you remove them, you create space to save. And saving is your first weapon. What is harder for you? Saving money or cutting expenses? Think about it. Now let's move to the next step. Saving alone is not enough. If your money is just sitting in a bank account, it is losing value over time. You must invest. You must make your money work for you. This is where real growth begins. Focus on assets that can generate income. These are things that pay you over time. Strong companies, reliable investments. The goal is simple. Build income streams that continue even when you are not working. That is how financial freedom is created. If you had extra money right now, what would you do? Spend it, save it, or invest it? Your answer says a lot about your future. Let's keep going. Many people think they need a lot of money to start investing. That is not true. You can start small, very small. The key is consistency. Invest every week, stay regular, stay disciplined. Over time, small amounts grow into something powerful. Imagine putting aside a fixed amount every single week. No excuses, no breaks. This habit alone can change your life. The earlier you start, the better your results will be. Time is your biggest advantage. Have you started investing yet? Yes or no? Be honest with yourself. Now, here is something many people ignore. Learning. You must understand what you are doing. Read, watch, study, improve your knowledge. The more you learn, the better decisions you make. Smart decisions lead to better results. Do not rely on luck. Do not follow trends blindly. Build your own understanding. This gives you confidence, and confidence keeps you consistent during difficult times. Now let's talk about a powerful idea. Where you live matters. Some places in the world are expensive. Others are much more affordable. If your expenses are low, your money lasts longer. This means you need less to retire. Many people are now choosing to live in lower-cost areas. They enjoy a better lifestyle with less pressure. This is a smart strategy if used correctly. It is not for everyone, but it is worth thinking about. Would you consider moving to another place for a better financial life? Yes or no? Let's continue. One of the biggest mistakes people make is chasing quick money. They look for shortcuts, fast gains, easy success. This mindset is dangerous. It leads to poor decisions and big losses. Real success is slow. It is steady. It is built over time. Stay focused on your plan. Ignore distractions. Stick to what works. Patience is not easy, but it is necessary. The longer you stay consistent, the stronger your results become. This is how wealth is built. What do you think is the biggest financial mistake people make today? Think about your answer. Now, here is another important idea. Do not rush to sell your investments too early. Many people see small profits and exit quickly. This limits their growth. Long-term thinking is key. Give your investments time to grow. Also, be aware of how your income is structured. Smart planning can help you keep more of what you earn. Small adjustments can make a big difference over time. At this point, you should understand the full picture. Save more, spend less, invest consistently, keep learning, stay patient, avoid shortcuts. Think long term. This path is simple, but not easy. It requires discipline. It requires focus. But the reward is worth it. A life where you control your time. A life without constant financial stress. Before we end, let's quickly recap. Control your spending. Build strong saving habits. Invest regularly. Learn continuously. Stay patient and avoid distractions. If you found this helpful, take a moment and reflect. Which step will you start today? Like this video. Subscribe for more useful updates. Stay connected with Retirova Senior Updates. We will see you in the next video.